Here's another baby birdie.
And look at that flying shepherd is here.
He's flying away. Okay, so a couple of minutes ago, the other baby birdie, he like flew out of the bushes into my face, and we like.
He was like.
You just scared that one. We need to go keep it from going in the road.
Girl, get him back in the yard.
Yeah, scare back this way. Oh, wow! You just touched my hand! Come on, we gotta like get him back this way.
Oh, poor baby.
Go back over into my yard. Go back this way, go back this way. Oh, come on, baby. This way, this way. Come on, help me, Mara. Here, get over here.
He's gonna peck us.
He's mad at us. Oh my gosh! I'm getting all this on tape.
Come on. A car's coming. Come on.
Go, baby, go, go.
Come on. Go,
Go,
go, go.
run, run, run. Go. I'll make sure no one runs over.
Oh, he's mad at you.
Go back. Stop it, Mara. Go back in the yard. Oh my
He's
gosh.
gonna bite you.
He's not gonna
It's
bite
gonna
me.
hurt.
He's mad at us. Don't use your foot. There we go. Oh gosh. Evil bird. Mara, okay, Mara, stop. Okay, he's good now.